Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. I am currently in Palo Duro Canyon, Texas, just south of Amarillo in case you want to find it on a map. We are greeted with an amazing sunrise this morning. We are about to hike the CCC trail. Who is we, you ask? It's my daughter and our hiking buddy Hondo. Here we are setting up for Hondo's glamour shot. According to the official Texas website, this trail is 1.4 miles one way, labeled difficult. I wouldn't go that far. If you're an average person, maybe moderate. You get to cross 4 historic CCC bridges, not really sure what that means, as you descend 500 feet through 4 geologic layers from the canyon rim to the canyon floor. This was the first trail of the day. We had made other plans, but today was going to get crazy hot, and the park decided to shut down a whole bunch of trails that you needed to be off of by 11 a.m. Nice little fun fact, we were here back in 2016, but we didn't do any hiking. We were on the motorcycle finishing up our lower 48 tour, where she and I had ridden the entire lower 48 together while she was still in high school. At this point in the trail, I like to get ahead of Hondo. He doesn't like it. He likes to be in the lead, so he tugs on my daughter pretty good, trying to get back in front of me. If you're interested in my hiking videos, I'm going to post a link in the description to all trails, where I just have a free membership for now, and I've posted all of this. Well, we found the end of the CCC trail. You can't walk down the amphitheater now. All right, this has been the CCC trail. Got something out of it? Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. See you in the next video.